So, how do we actually determine whether a market is in an uptrend or a downtrend? Markets move through different phases. At times, price trends higher in an uptrend. At other times, it trends lower in a downtrend. And there are also periods of consolidation where price moves sideways and direction is less clear. In this video, we will focus specifically on trending conditions. Let us take an uptrend as an example. During an uptrend, the market does not move straight up. Instead, it moves in a structured way, forming what we call higher highs, usually marked on the chart as HH, and higher lows, usually marked as HL. They are called higher highs because each high is higher than the previous one, and higher lows because each low is also higher than the previous one. In contrast, during a downtrend, price forms lower highs, marked as LH, and lower lows, marked as LL. They are called lower highs because each high is lower than the previous one, and lower lows because each low is also lower than the previous one. In an uptrend structure, each time price breaks the previous high and creates a new higher high. This movement is referred to as a break of structure, commonly abbreviated as BOS. Of course, markets do not remain in an uptrend forever. At some point, the trend begins to change. This shift occurs when the previous lows are broken, leading to the formation of lower lows. Before this break, price was forming higher lows. Once those levels are broken, they turn into lower lows. This break of the previous lows during an uptrend is known as a change of character, often abbreviated as CHoCH. It is called a change of character because the market shifts from an uptrend structure to a downtrend structure, and the cycle continues. During a downtrend, price forms lower highs and lower lows. Each time a previous low is broken, that move is considered a break of structure, or BOS. Later, if price breaks the previous highs and forms higher highs during a downtrend, that move is again referred to as a change of character, or CHoCH. This is a brief overview of how break of structure, BOS, and change of character, CHoCH, work together to describe shifts in market direction. So trader, please remember that the ComLucro channel is focused on giving traders clarity, confidence, and structure. And this Smart Money Concept series is designed to do exactly that. Each video breaks down one ICT concept in a clear and practical way, helping you understand how price behaves, where liquidity forms, and how market structure develops. If this explanation helped you see the market with more clarity, make sure to check the full Smart Money Concepts playlist linked on the card and in the description, where all these ideas are organized step by step into a complete learning path.